It is 4-ish and then we are on the way to the resort. Supposed to check in at 3, but we dilly-dally. Basically, the sushi roll here, right, is slightly pricier. We tried before already, but it's quite nice. Yeah, quite nice because 没有很多人. Okay, so this is the end of the dining alley. I want to let you all see what I wear today. I wear until very lock cock. Then we are going to the restaurant later. Don't know whether they will accept me in my lock cockness. I wear quite lock cock, right?
No, it's just your sandals spoiled.
My sandals spoiled. This year ever since Mandai Rainforest opened up, right? We like come here don't know how many times. Bird Paradise, Zoo. This is the third time. The third time coming here. Very quiet, very like. This one smells like my favorite tea, the matcha. Just do it.
Okay, you know the next timing for dinner? 6:30. Yeah.
What's this camp? Can go one or not? Feels like a place that I want to hang. How you want, Aiju? $3 Aiju. Do it. So. Why?
Press with eyes, I don't want eyes.
Ayya. Okay, this is my feet. I really like what she wear today. You see this brown thing, but I then 少了一个 belt. Yeah. Okay, you turn around. Turn around. Yes, I think really nice. Maybe I put one side parting. $3 Aiju. Because it's ice, I have to use my teeth and filter it. I drink like that to prevent the ice from coming in. Okay, we are finally here. Mandai Rainforest Resort. Banya Tree. What's that? Looks so good. Wow, look like some freaking, what do you call that? Gambly thing eh. Wow, looks so nice eh. What's that?
So cute.
Yeah.
Got lights inside.
Yes, yeah. What's this place? Look like cockroach also. Wow, the amount of cockroach I killed the last few days. Cocoon. Cocoon inspired. Oh. Hi. This place looks good. Like that.
Right.
Okay.
So the drink?
Yeah. Thank you.
Otherwise, the monkey holding on.
很 cute leh. I really like this one. Wood one. I think we will see about 12. You are 10, right? Okay, see who win. You like it? Wow. I always like a she-her, yeah. A he-him. They call it a he-him, not he-him, he-she basin. But I call she-her basin. This one is what? This one? Hers. Toilet bowl. Yes. In the shower. Of course, you must shower and see the nature. Hey, that means all from outside, right? People can look, peek in there and see you naked. Damn. Okay, privacy very important. Which side are you taking? This side, huh? Okay, can. And then we have something for you there. Happy birthday. What you sing? How? Like, sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my. Happy birthday to you. That's in between like that.
Like that?
Like that. Okay. Can you like, yeah. Saying bye to this view because it will be night later. What in? Okay, so right now we are heading to Canvian restaurant. Cavern restaurant? Yeah, it's actually outside of this resort. So we have to take a shuttle bus like that. But the thing is, our reservation is like 5:15, but we are still here. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go now. Check out the quality of this linen, which is a very nice color, very rare also because they give umbrellas here. Wow, I first time drink my stout in this eh. Damn, I'm a caveman. 快乐，祝你生日快乐。I wish you healthy and 发财 and buy your condo, okay? Yeah. Can I bring home this cup? Look, the cup's so good. Yeah. Okay. Early, well, early morning you want to eat this. Oh, I love this fish for egg sandwich. How many pounds you want to eat?
It's kaya pao. I never tried before.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, where you take the otter? Oh, got omelette. Ooh. Oh, milk porridge. It got some hot. Oh my god, my favorite. What's this? Why juicer? My favorite. Apple, carrot, and orange. You want to see this? You want to see this place? Wow. Damn. It's maybe connected, right? For my room. Yeah, it is. room eh. This toilet so nice. We literally just come in. Can we rest here for a while? Going home now.